Hi, my name's Val R. I live in Genoa City, Wisconsin, and Innovative did the front of my house siding and the front of my garage siding and my roof from a hailstorm. At first I wasn't sure what to do with the storm damage, and then I called my friend Bonnie and Ralph, who had their house roof did last year by Innovative, and Bonnie said call Kevin, and Kevin came right over. Kevin was in my house within 15 minutes after I called him. Well, we had a pretty severe hailstorm, and it just broke chunks out of my siding, and then it damaged the roof. My husband and I, we chose Innovative mainly because we trusted Bonnie and Ralph's decision with the work they had done with Innovative, and they were happy, so that's why we went with Innovative. Well, the insurance claim process was really very simple. Kevin came here and just sat down with me and said, this is who call your insurance company and tell them this is what's going on. And the insurance company came out, and Kevin pretty much just guided me through it because I'd never made a claim ever before with the insurance company. So he really helped me on how to do that. Kevin's great. He really does a very good job, and yeah, he's very helpful, and he does what he says he's going to do, and I like that. I talked with the office staff, actually I think just once, because every time I had to deal with Innovative, it was always with Kevin, and he really did. He just took care of everything, so the office staff was great. Sorry, you guys. Installation of the siding and the roofing went very well, actually. The siding took one day. They were in and out. I didn't even know they were coming that day. And when I came home, they were almost done with the job, and they were just very nice. They actually walked me around a little bit and talked to me about some of the siding that they were doing, and they cleaned up so well, I didn't even know they had been here if I wouldn't have seen them. And then the roofing honestly went the same way. It was very quick, and they were very nice and just cleaned up everything. I don't think I found anything on the ground after they left. Yay, it's a new roof. It's great. It looks good. Just happy we have a new roof. It looks very good. Honestly, Kevin got the exact siding that was there because it was all new siding to begin with. And he just matched up very well, and it all just looks really good. I honestly, like I said, I don't even know that it was touched. It looks so good. What impressed me the most was just the ease of getting the work done and the quickness of getting the work done. That was very nice. It was just a good experience, and I would recommend Innovative to my friends. Actually, I did, to 2 people. I would give you guys an A+. Yes, A+. Check.
Don't just renovate it, innovate it.
Ooh, yeah. To innovate your home, what's the best way to go? Innovative Home Concepts. Call 888-356-9020.